Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Partner Company. Today, let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is Google Ads optimization, automation. So, software got a recommendation. You're like, okay, so yeah, people ask me often this question like, what is your favorite Google Ads optimization or automation software? Okay, so far right now we do not use any software. Yeah, that we have when we have to automate some bidding strategies again we use some custom tailored software and that is for our own company or agency use. But if you ask me to recommend any but that is solely for bidding purposes and for comparative strategies. But if you ask me right now, we do not recommend any optimization or automation software, so it's something like I would not recommend someone on it. So if you ask me, it's a big no. I do not recommend any Google Ads optimization software, but rather I suggest you to opt my company's Google Ads auditing services. But in case if you need one, you can hire us through one of the link in the description below, and we can get started working with you and create an awesome Google Ads campaign, or we can audit your existing Google Ads campaign to with best practices for auditing and optimization. So in case if you need that, you can hire us. I have also dedicated detailed videos on my YouTube channel regarding audits we have deeply done, and it takes us a lot of time, and we have around 130-40 checklists, where we look around on how the campaign is converting, how it's performing. We also look on the competitors. We also do landing page analysis. So far, we may not have yet found any software which can automate the procedure, but in case if we found, and I will definitely create a product on create a product like that, and we'll sell it definitely. But right now we are selling our Google Ads optimization auditing services, so in case if you need one, you can hire us through the link in the description. So once again, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys can watch it and do comment it. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.